Hi there, in this video I'm going to set up the ignition for the Jerry Howell V-Twin. So I think I mentioned this in my previous video, but each cylinder from an ignition point of view is treated like a separate engine, so you need two ignition systems, one for each cylinder, and I'm using these CDI RCXL systems, which seem to work pretty well. So the whole sensor housing is just 3D printed in PETG, and it's got some holes in it. Or I've put some holes in it for the sensors, and then it's just a matter of clamping the sensors down, these Hall sensors. So the idea is you put it on the engine, something like that. So I've just connected the Hall sensor for cylinder 2 to this ignition system. Cylinder 2 is firing just before top dead center there, and top dead center's there. So not too sure which way around this dial needs to turn. So we need to be firing a bit closer to top dead center. That seems pretty close. Just before top dead center on 2. So I'll switch it round onto Hall sensor 1 again. And hopefully we'll be firing just before top dead center on cylinder 2, on cylinder 1. Yay, just after. Interesting. Let's turn it a bit more. Oh, let's move it over here. So move it back again. That's firing on top. Certainly exactly on top dead center. On 1. And 2's firing quite a few degrees before top dead center. A bit of a dilemma that, isn't it? Because I'm either firing before on one side and after on the other side. So I think I need to revisit this housing and make sure that the angle of these two sensors is spot on. I'm guessing it isn't. So having checked it, the actual screw heads are around about 135 degrees apart. Unfortunately the sensors have pushed beyond there, and they measure about 170. So what I'm going to have to do is to adjust the sensors, so I'll try loosening these screws off and pulling the sensors back to be in line with the screw heads. So I'll do that off camera and then give it another try. Okay, so I think I've cracked it now. I've just changed the location very slightly of the Hall sensors, and this is on compression stroke, cylinder 1. Just hear it there, just firing just marginally after top dead center, fraction. So if you come back around and get the cylinder 2 on the compression stroke, and that's firing there again, spot on. So I'm very happy with that result.